Hey guys. Sorry about that. Um, this is a request video. It's actually sorry. Sorry. Oh my goodness. This is a really bad allergy fit. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a request video. It was requested that I do stifles, but I also had a request to do to hold back my sneezes and like I'm trying to do now. And there was another request for me to try and talk to you guys throughout. Oh my goodness, sorry. To try and talk to you guys about my allergies throughout my fit. So I'm actually going to try to do all three today. Oh gosh. So, wish me luck. Okay, here we go. Oh, goodness. Okay, maybe I'll try to stifle. I did promise. I'm just so bad at it, obviously. Okay. I'm gonna sneeze again. And try. Okay. It's just stifling makes the tickle worse. It tickles. It tickles. So. I got a sneeze coming on. I can. It tickles so much more when I stifle. I gotta sneeze. This is so. Okay, guys, I gotta stop this video. I can't take much more. Much more of this. Okay, I'm gonna go grab tissue. I'll be right back. Bye, guys.